Hello everybody, it's Kelly Driver here from kellydriverart. Thank you for joining my art channel today. This is a project that I completed in November last year and it is for my mother's 70th birthday. She asked for an indoor plant and pot for her birthday present. So I found a gorgeous plant, which you will see later, and I decided that I would buy a plain pot rather than something that already had a design on it, and I would paint it for her. So I took a photograph of my Monstera indoor plant that I have, of some of the young leaves, and painted them onto the pot. And then I photographed my own Phalaenopsis orchid that you can see in the background here on my iPad. And but rather than painting it white like my orchid, I decided to make my own colour up and paint them pink. So it was a wonderful project to do for my mother, and when I gave it to her in November last year, she was absolutely thrilled with the beautiful plant and the fact that I'd painted the pot for her, and something that she will keep forever. And she was really excited by the personal touch that I did for her special 70th birthday. So you can just watch along as I create this lovely design on my on the pot. And thank you very much for joining my channel today. If you like what you see, please comment, and I will chat to you in the comments below. And feel free to join my art channel to see more abstract art videos by clicking on that subscribe button as well. So thank you very much for joining in today, and I will be with you another time for another video in 2023. Bye for now.